Lighthouse Lab.
Hi there! Welcome back to the Lighthouse Lab. In the last video, we looked at the effect of different combinations of batteries and bulbs in series on the effect of the brightness of the bulbs. Today, I want to show you another important characteristic of series circuits. It will demonstrate to you why series circuits are not commonly used for complex circuits. Okay, so here I have a circle with 3 batteries connected in series, 2 bulbs, a fan, and a switch. When I turn the switch on, the path that the electricity follows will be complete. How cool is that? The light bulbs and the fan turn on. What do you think will happen if one of the bulbs is removed or broken? Let's find out. Just as I suspected, none of the components can function when the electricity does not have a closed path to follow. What do you think will happen if the fan breaks or gets disconnected? Let's find out. Wow, did you guess that it would stop? This is because the electricity no longer has a closed path to flow through. All of the components have now stopped working. And finally, I'll remove a single battery. What do you think will happen? Yep, the same again. So, we can see that in a series circuit, if any component is broken or removed, the entire circuit will be affected. Not very good if a kitchen light breaks, is it? That was really fun. See you next time in the Lighthouse Lab.